our research title, Advanced User Management and Networking Solution. So during this presentation, we will cover the following: the introduction, server setup, user management, network diagram, and we have the security, which is a summary of the security measures, overview of obstacle and solutions, and our conclusion. This is our introduction. With the increasing complexity of IT system, managing users and secure network has become a top priority for organizations. Advanced technique like multi-factor authentication or MFA and automated provisioning ensures seamless and secure access for users. Additionally, innovate network solutions like traffic optimization and zero trust architectures help safeguard like data while improving the performance.
So we have the server setup. So first we have the role-based access control or RBAC. So managers uses roles and permission allowing only appropriate access to resources based on their role. So we have the manager who will assign roles to their employees. So first we have the admin, next the manager, and other is user. So that's it. So next we have the single sign on, so or SSO. Enables user to log in once and access multiple application, improving both experience and security. So we have the a single one-time OTP password like that. So if they use that, they can access their account into several days or several months that they don't need to log in. So next we have the automated user provisioning. So automates the creation, modification, and deletion of user accounts, reducing administrative overhead and errors. So we have we have the manager automates the deletion of accounts if the user doesn't use the accounts into several days or I said several months. The manager will will use the automated user provisioning, and the automated user provisioning will access the users if they are not logged in these several months. It automates delete the account so that it will free the data on the database. Next, we have the advanced network configuration, so optimize network performance and security through centralized management and network segmentation. So in the corporation, they have set up a advanced network configuration, or they put some topology on their building so that it will centralize their data into a central hub into their building. So next we have the security enhancements. So secure data in transit and at rest by developing firewalls, intrusions, detection system, and encryption protocols. So we have enhanced the security based on the authentication or multi-factor so that users cannot access or unwanted users cannot access easily our system. So we have the firewalls on which they prevent some unwanted data to bypass the system. And that's it.
So, diagram for advanced user management and networking solution. First, the SDN controller or software defined networking controller. It is the brain of the network. It manages traffic flows, policies, and communication between all connected VLANs and components. Next is data line or this green line here. It represents the paths over which data flows between the SDN controller and the VLANs. The green circle, yung circle na to, it indicates communication, a connection points for each VLAN. The next one is VLAN admin. here. It reserved for administrative access to manage the network. Next is VLAN employee. VLAN employee is used by employees for general network usage. Next is VLAN guest. Isolated for guest users, ensuring they don't interfere with the main network. Next is security features. First, we have firewall. Um, firewall, it protects the network from unauthorized access. It link to the controller via red line or red dash line. Next is IDS. This IDS or intrusion detection system. It monitors traffic for malicious activities and is connected similarly via our red line, red dash line. Next is QoS or quality of service or this blue node or this arrow. Um, it ensures critical traffic gets priority. It's directly connected to the SDN controller for efficient traffic management. So this diagram illustrates a secure, segmented, and centrally managed network architecture with features like IDS, firewall, QoS, and VLANs. VLAN isolation for specific user groups. Yan lang po.
User management. Rule definition. Clearly define user rules to control access based on specific job functions and responsibilities, ensuring appropriate access to necessary resources. Granular permissions. Assign detailed permissions to rules, allowing precise control over what each user can view, modify, or manage within the system, enhancing security. Centralized control. Implement centralized identity management platforms to streamline rule management, ensuring consistent access control and reducing complexity across systems. Automated rule assignment. Use automated systems to assign rules dynamically based on users' profiles, job titles, and organizational changes. Access reviews. Regularly conduct access reviews to validate the need for current rules and permissions, adjusting them as necessary based on rule changes or business requirements. Monitoring and auditing. Establish comprehensive logging and auditing mechanisms to track user activity, ensuring compliance with security policies and providing accountability.
So, summary of security measures. Number one is firewalls. So, deploy firewalls at network engage to control incoming and outgoing traffic, restricting unauthorized access and preventing malware. So, ito yung company na gumamit ng firewalls para i-filter ng network traffic. Like, pumapayag lang sila sa authorized access at pinipigilan ng malware. And number two, it's intrusion detection system. Use IDS to monitor network traffic for suspicious activity, alerting administrators to potential threats and real time. So ito naman yung IDS na yung bangko ay nag-install ng IDS para ma-detect na unusual login attempts at ma-alert ng IT teams na access. And number three is network segmentation. So, implement network segmentation through VLANs to isolate sensitive data and restrict access between different network zones. So, ito naman yung inahati ng kumpanya ng network gamit yung VLANs para ma-isolate ng sensitive viral data mula sa ibang users. And the last one is encryption. So, utilize encryption protocols to secure data both in transit and at rest, preventing unauthorized access to sensitive information. And ito naman yung online store para ma-secure ng payment details ng customer habang nata-transmit.
So, challenges overview, obstacle and solutions. Number 1, challenges. Challenges are problems or difficulties that hinder progress or success. They can be external like economic constraints or internal such as lack of skill or confidence. Challenges often arise unexpectedly and require adaptability to negative effectively. They test determination, creativity, and resilience in finding ways forwards. Unlike solutions, challenges represent the issues that need to be addressed. They can act as barriers that slow down or obstruct goals. However, challenges also present opportunities for growth and innovation. They push individuals or teams to think critically and explore new approaches. Facing challenges build experience and strengthens problem solving ability, overcoming challenges, ideas to progress, and a sense of accomplishment. So, sa solution naman, solution are strategies designed to resolve challenges or problems. They focus on addressing the root cause and mitigating negative impacts, unlike challenges which represent obstacles. Solutions provide a way forward to achieve desired outcome. Effective solutions require critical thinking, creativity, and collaboration. They may involve implementing new ideas, utilizing available resources, or seeking expert assistance. Solution vary depending on the complexity and nature of the problem. They can be short-term, fixed, or long-term plans aimed at sustainable improvement. By implementing solutions, individuals or teams can overcome barriers and achieve their goals. Solutions often require ongoing evaluation and adjustment to ensure success. Ultimately, they transform problems into opportunities for growth and innovation.
Conclusion. Advanced user management and networking solutions provide efficient and secure frameworks for handling complex organization needs, ensuring streamlined operation and robust data protection by integrating advanced technology, such as solutions, enhance user accessibility while maintaining strict control over resources and networks. These systems are pivotal for fostering collaboration, scalability, and operational efficiency in today's interconnected environment.